Hi everyone, I'm Ashwold, here to show you how to download libraries, insert macros and how to create your own macros in PCB Droid. First of all, you can access the libraries either from the main menu by tapping on Libraries, or from the editor by tapping on its icon in the lower left corner. Once there, you'll see three tabs on the top: Own, Downloaded and Cloud. Under the Own tab, you can find the macros you have created. Under the Cloud tab are all the officially available libraries. The Downloaded tab contains all the official libraries you have downloaded. To download the library, go to the Cloud tab, select the library you'd like and tap on the green download icon and confirm it with OK. You can only insert macros if you enter the libraries menu from the editor. Once there, just tap on any of the downloaded macros or the ones created by you. The app lets you choose the layer you'd like to add the macro to. You also have the option to change all the through paths into wires. If you are ready, select OK. Now the macro has appeared on the board and is selected, which means you can drag it around. To deselect a macro, just tap on the View mode icon or anywhere on the board. If you select a macro, you can see that it is handled as one component because its components are grouped together. To ungroup it, simply tap on the Open Lock icon on the selection toolbar. Now you can select its basic components separately, unless it was made by using smaller groups, in which case you have to unlock those too. Good news is, you can do it while all components are selected, which makes it a lot faster than selecting them individually. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.